A customer reaches us either by our tech support team or by our sales team. In either case, we try to understand the requirement first. So if it is something possible to address with the existing functionalities, we do that with our existing functionalities itself. So if that requires any custom implementations, we would again sit with the customer and we would have several rounds of discussion. We would try to understand what the exact requirement is and what are all the data parameters, variables are involved. And if there are any third-party applications are involved, that again relevant information are gathered. So in addition to this information, we also try to understand the data flow between that modules and across the applications involved. And we see how best we can design the functionality for them. So we come up with a BRD. Once the requirements are vetted and validated by the customer, we understand the effort and cost estimations for that functionality implementation. We share them with the customer. And if everything goes fine, we start that implementation action plan.
Qntrl is a platform which will be again applicable for any and every businesses. Because we are serving to an enterprise segment, we always try to bring the stability part of the product. On an average, 20 to 30 different UX iterations, how it will look, where it will show, what are the options it will be, how it should view that message, what happens if someone clicks, what are the error message we should show.
With security and privacy, we value it like 3 different angles. One is the product itself. The second is within the product, the process that you implement. It has a lot of controls to give you access to essentially levers that you can pull and leverage to make sure that the right people see the right stuff. And then we give you a backward-looking audit log as well, so you can find out what has happened, and if something has happened, then you can go and find a root cause analysis or identify what went wrong, so you can fix it on the next process.